I'm about to ruin your shot. You're like, ah, wait, get out of the way. I want to see the car. More on that car coming up. Welcome, everybody. It's a short one for you today. I just appreciate the opportunity to be here with you and for you taking the time to check in. Here's a real-time update. Yesterday, we talked about Jim coming in with his 2020 Corvette. Had the problem with the turn stalk. When he turned to the right, and after he turned right, the turn stalk was still stuck in the right position. So Chuck replaced the stalk. Everything's working fine and dandy, but he didn't really see anything wrong with the one that he took out. Now, let me tell you something there, Captain.
Yeah, sir.
I think you're becoming way too efficient. I come back here to watch you change the turn signal for Jim, and you said you're done already.
Yeah.
Was it
Day
easy?
late and dollar short.
Was it easy to do?
It wasn't easy, but when you know what you're doing.
No. What you said off camera, say what you said. You say, it sucked.
Well, yeah.
It did suck?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
All right, well, when you're done with the oil change, I'll have you show us what you did. And it did fix it, right?
Seemed to.
Okay.
This is going to be interesting.
Why is that?
I'm just glad they all take 0W40 in the bottles, because I couldn't imagine getting this in there to put oil in it.
Oh, because that's what you use for the
Yeah.
530?
Yeah.
Now you're just doing the 040 out of the bottles?
Yeah.
You gotta lean over halfway in the engine just to pour it in there.
And of course, he got the nice carbon fiber, so you don't want to scratch or mar it or get oil all over that.
Right. Although when you dropped the oil, I missed that too. You said you took a little oil bath, didn't you?
Yeah.
Why? What happened when you took the drain plug out?
Let me tell you, the river flows. When you take, well, you break the dam, it's coming out.
Oh, wow. All right, so in case you haven't seen on the channel, Jim had a problem when you would turn to the right, the signal would stay on. There it goes, it clicks off now. So how tough was it to change that stalk out?
Well, you're replacing the whole switch. SI tells you to extend the steering column all the way out, all the way down. This kind of pops off, then you got to turn the wheel here, there's a screw here, turn the wheel on this side, there's a screw here, so you can get the bottom half off, separate it.
Yeah.
Then it just got two clips that hold it in place and an electrical plug. Wasn't terrible, but it wasn't easy either.
Right. Okay, well, it's good that it's working, because you got another one to do here shortly.
Yes, I know. Here's what we replaced.
Oh, you walked over here for a second, and the way you were holding it, it looked like a pipe. It's like, what are you doing? It's like you're smoking pipes now?
But anyway, when you turn this on, it kicks this thing out.
Okay.
When it comes back around, it cancels it. Something was going on with this and it wasn't hitting it right, wouldn't let it cancel.
Yeah, I mean, everything looks fine there. One line didn't click.
So, this is what we put in it.
Okay. Thank you, man. Now, here's something I thought you guys might find interesting, and I appreciate Mike Davenport and Matt Beaver for texting me the other night. On the carrier, dropping off cars at their stores, was a car going to the Middle East. Look at some of this, just interesting. Not a right-hand drive, but a Middle Eastern Corvette. Check this out.
Check that out.
Hey guys, thanks for including me in the text. It was kind of cool to share that stuff, and I know it's not the right-hand drive car. I've seen the right-hand drive car. It's a black red interior car. Hey, I've got a really busy day today. We're going to be delivering a beautiful torch red car to Phil, Long Beach red car to David, and this car back here to Dan and Kathy here in Ohio. But look at these pictures. The Long Beach red car and the Shadow gray car, not even cleaned yet, but boy, they look great. But I'll tell you something, guys. After you look at that Long Beach red car, I'm all for the new colors, but then you have to start to question, oh, why get rid of that one? That's beautiful. It's stunning on this body style. Why are they canceling that one? Yeah, starting to scratch my head on that one too, guys. Boy, that looked really good. Well, folks, that's all I have for you on today's upload. We do have a Coffee with Conti show tomorrow, where Chuck and I, yes, are roasting marshmallows in the back of a C8 Corvette. You'll be surprised at the data that Greg collected and how hot it actually gets back there. And oh, real quick, I intended today to give you my full spec, my reasoning, why this, why not that. Time didn't permit that, but I will tell you this, my Corvette friends and family, I have on order a Rapid Blue convertible. Yeah, buddy. More on that next week for sure. Thanks for being here. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a fantastic day.